Hello fellow broiler farmers, are you stocking for the Christmas? You're waiting for that big sale during the Christmas because the demands are high, the prices are good, so you're keeping your best to sell during the Christmas period. Well, I have a bad news for you. From my experience, not your experience, from my experience, I had a very bad experience when it comes to that, and I'm going to share that with you so that you can learn from my experience and what I did for that experience not to occur again, right? So before we dive into that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Then if you've had experience before when it comes to Christmas chicken sale, then let's discuss about that in the comment section. Leave your comments, what experience do you have, and if you're planning to keep your best till Christmas time, also leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know your strategy. Let's talk about it, okay? Then this video is going to be telling you how to sell your broiler birds during that Christmas period without losing, okay? And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me thumbs up and share the video to people that will need the information I'm about to share with you. Okay, now when it comes to Christmas sales, that period the demand of birds are high, which is very good for us. But on the other hand, the supply is also high. Now a lot of people are rearing chicken in their backyard. Everybody is trying to make quick money. You know the economy in Nigeria, everybody wants to make money, everybody is going into business to make money, right? Even there was a time when someone came to me and bought 3 weeks old chicks. He said he wants to keep them for Christmas. He bought 3, right? Now he's keeping them so that when it's Christmas, he doesn't have to go and buy birds that are very expensive in the market at that period. Okay, so when it comes to that time, a lot of people are strategizing. So how would you like to go into a market where there is very fierce competition? Now this is my experience in 2003. 2003 I prepared for Christmas sales as usual, kept them for like 11 to 12 weeks, okay, preparing for the Christmas sale. So I stocked early. Now when it was time for sales, when the Christmas has come around that 20th, it was like I was begging people, I was literally begging them to buy birds from me, okay? So it was not easy at all. I had to sell them. My wife tried, she tried and tried, but she finally got to sell them between the Christmas and the New Year, okay? But it was not a good experience. Now in 2024 I stocked again just the way I did in 2023, but around November my manager called me and said our ebook customers that they are worrying him, that they want him to sell birds to them, and he told them that we are preparing for Christmas sale. And I was like, hold on, how much are they pricing it? He told me the price was very good price at that period. Then they were like 8 weeks or so. I say, guy, sell it to them, okay? Now I talked to the aboki. He said, I said that people are not selling broilers to them, that they are keeping them for Christmas sale, so nobody is selling broilers to them. So I sold birds to them. He collected some quantity on the first day. The second day he came, I think the third day he came again and collected some more. Like 4 days he came again to get the remainder, and I told him, guy, you add money because I've been feeding them since the last time you came. And he added money. Yes, and I did not even sell all to him. I had to keep some because I had to keep some for family consumption, and there are some friends that they always ask me for chicken during Christmas period, so I don't want to disappoint them. So I left like 45 or so for those guys, okay? Now that is one of the strategy I used, and I believe if you use it, it's going to help you. The essence of this business is to make profit. So if you see an avenue to make profit, please don't hesitate, make your profit, okay? Now the second strategy I'm going to tell you is, right now I have not stocked my farm for the Christmas sales, right? I am waiting till late October. Now if you observe the price of day old chick around September, early September, it goes up, goes to 90,000 naira, 100,000 naira, like that, okay? So it is not economical to buy that time. The price is high because the demand is high. Then at that period, that is around September, corn has not been harvested from the farm yet, okay? So the price of feed is still high, you know that corn is the major raw material when it comes to feed formulation. So the price of feed is still relatively high. But around October, early November, people have started harvesting their corn, right? So the price of feed will begin to drop. So you find out that when your birds are like 4 weeks, when you know they start consuming much, you know that at that period the price of feed must have reduced, I think, at least to some extent. You understand? So any cost you can cut is also very good for the business. Okay, then during the sales of Christmas now, what you do is, when others are selling maybe like 15,000-20,000, you know that's the price of chicken in Nigeria when it comes to Christmas. Okay, because most of the birds are 3 months, more than 3 months, like that, so the prices are high. Okay, now what you will do is, since your bird is 7 weeks, 8 weeks, like that, some not even up to 8 weeks, right? It may not look as old as the other bird, but they will be close when it comes to size, because after your bird passes that 8 weeks, the growth rate reduces drastically. It will not grow as fast as when they were growing from 5 to 6 to 7 weeks. So the growth rate will reduce. So the difference in size will not be much, but when you look them facially, you know that one is older than the other one. Okay, now if others are selling for 15-20, you can sell your own maybe 8,000-9,000 or even 10,000. Okay, people will prefer to come and buy 2 of your own than going to buy 1 of the old chicken, because at that point everybody is looking at the pocket power, right? So that is another strategy. Don't just rush and start stocking your birds because everybody is rushing for December sales. You need to strategize, and that is what I've come to educate you people. In case you want to follow my style, I have not stocked for the Christmas yet. I am waiting for October, when the price of the old chick will drop, because I know that the price has started dropping. Around November, the price will drop to the barest minimum. Okay, but by that time you will not be able to keep them for Christmas sales. But you can also keep them, you can also buy, so I can, because after Christmas, around late January, the demand also go up. Okay, so you can also keep to sell at that period. Okay, so guys, that is what I want to share with you guys. Okay guys, before I go, my course is ready and it is hosted and it is online now. So I'm giving this course to some people free. Some people have already sent me their email, so I'm going to give them 100% discount coupon. Okay, so it's going to be free to those guys. Why am I doing that? Those people are the people that have been contacting me regularly. I know of Kingsley from Aba that has started his broiler farm, so I'll send Kingsley a copy. I know of Ike from Italy. He contacted me that he wants to start a broiler farm in Nigeria. Okay, so I'm going to contact Ike and give him the discount coupon too. Then there are some people that have also contacted me via email and stuff like that. Okay, those guys are the people that I know they are serious about it, so I'm going to give them 100% discount. The essence of the course is not for information sake, it's for people that wants to take action. So I'm giving it to people that I know very well that they've already taken action. Okay, so if you're interested in this course, you can click the link below, and apart from the people that I'm going to send a discount coupon to, you can also send me a mail. I will ask you some questions to see if you are serious or not, because if you buy it, you'll be more serious with it. That is from personal experience. That is what it is. Okay, so you need to buy it, and I've put a lot of work in this course. It took me months to prepare. Okay, I went through my previous documents, things like that, to tell you how I implemented the systems on my farm, where I can stay away from the farm and the business is booming. Okay, so that is what I did in the course. So it's going to help you. So just click the link in the description of this video. You'll see the course there. So for new subscribers, like I said before, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Then let's comment about your experience when it comes to Christmas broiler sales. Okay, so let's discuss in the comment section. All right, then like, share the video to anybody that you know will need the information. Okay, so this is Oche from Broiler Farms. Peace. I'm out.